Have you ever struggled with dark circles or spots that just won't go away, no matter how much concealer you pile on? You're not alone. For centuries, people have been searching for ways to achieve a flawless complexion. The art of makeup has evolved dramatically from the heavily based powders of ancient Rome to the sophisticated formulas we have today. One of the biggest game changers in modern makeup has been the understanding of color theory. It's not just about covering things up, it's about neutralizing them. Think back to the early days of stage and film. Performers needed makeup that could withstand harsh lighting and still look natural from a distance. This is where the concept of color correction really took off. They discovered that you could cancel out unwanted tones by using their opposite color on the color wheel. For example, green neutralizes red, which is why green correctors are great for blemishes. But what about those stubborn blue or purple undertones in dark circles and hyperpigmentation? This is where Peach Concealer comes in. Peach is a beautiful mix of red, orange, and yellow. On the color wheel, these warm tones sit directly opposite the cool tones of blue, purple, and even some greens. When you apply a peach-toned corrector over a dark spot, it effectively cancels out the discoloration. It's like a magic trick for your skin. Instead of just layering a skin-toned product on top, which can sometimes look grey or ashy, the peach corrector neutralizes the darkness first. Let's break down how this works. Imagine you have purplish blue, dark circles under your eyes. This is incredibly common because the skin there is so thin and the blood vessels underneath are more visible. If you put a regular light-colored concealer directly on top, the blue tones will still show through, creating that dreaded grayish cast. But if you first tap on a thin layer of peach concealer, the orange and yellow pigments in the peach will counteract the blue and purple. The area is neutralized, creating a perfect, even canvas. Now, you might be wondering which shade of peach is right for me. It all depends on your skin tone. For fair to light skin, a light, rosy peach works best. It has just enough warmth to correct without looking too orange. For medium skin tones, a true classic peach is your go-to. It has that perfect balance to tackle most common discoloration. For tan to deep skin tones, you'll want to reach for a more vibrant, orange-toned, or even a reddish-orange corrector. The deeper your skin tone, the more pigment you'll need to effectively neutralize the darkness. The application is just as important as the color. You want to be very precise. Use a small brush or even your ring finger to gently tap the peach corrector only on the areas of discoloration. Don't spread it all over. The goal is targeted correction. You want to apply just enough to neutralize the darkness, not to create a thick orange patch. A little goes a very long way. Gently blend the edges so there are no harsh lines. After you've applied your peach corrector, let it set for a moment. Then you can go in with your regular concealer or foundation. This time, when you apply your skin-toned product over the corrected area, you'll be amazed. The darkness is gone, and the concealer blends seamlessly with the rest of your skin. You'll find you need much less product overall, which means a more natural, less cakey finish. It's a technique that professional makeup artists have used for years to create that flawless, born this way look on red carpets and photo shoots. This method isn't just for under-eye circles. It works wonders on sunspots, post-acne marks, and any other form of hyperpigmentation that has a blue or purple undertone. The history of makeup is a story of innovation, and understanding color theory is one of its most powerful chapters. By incorporating a peach corrector into your routine, you're tapping into a professional secret that makes all the difference. It's about working smarter, not harder, to achieve the beautiful, even complexion you've always wanted. Give it a try and see the transformation for yourself. Thanks for watching.